this bitch
Man,
already,
shit, how you
bro.
doing over there?
Sweaty as Hey, man, get out of my face, man. I'm turning right. Oh, yeah.
Better get to the other side.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on this side. Turn right, nigga. Y'all gonna go, man, y'all gonna go flying this way. You turning right, bro. Y'all better hang on to this wall.
Better
right
hold
here.
on to something.
Well, I'm thirsty in the motherfucker. That's left. That's left. Get off, man.
That ain't the way to the spot.
Hey, I would be so scared if this nigga just.
No, hell no.
Hey, what do you do? Put us on the highway?
Yeah. Let me see.
Why you go over there? Hey, man, slow the fuck down. Hey, man, I'm gonna beat both of y'all alive when I get on this truck, man. Dude, this hot foot back here, nigga. If you got back here on my mama, nigga, on my kids, nigga, you would come out that hoodie, you would come out that t-shirt. Bitch, your ass would cut your dreads off. How hot it is back here. Fuck.
It's hot.
Is we here? Are we here? Nah. Hey, man. Hey, man, what the fuck? Hey, easy. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Hey, man. Hey, get me the fuck out of here. Oh, fuck. Fuck this, man. Hey.
I just know if you speed off like that again, nigga.
Bro.
Man.
Good.
Hey, babe, grab the wheel, man.
This ain't funny, bro.
Talk about wheel, bro.
This ain't funny, man. I don't feel so good. Bro, this was a bad idea. Hey, man. Tell me I gotta pull up, bro.
You gotta be here.
Yeah, man, please. Come over the door.
Put that bitch in park.
Hey, man, what the fuck is you doing? Literally, until we damn near died back here.
You banged up here.